In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to use Disney Plus Kids Profile Lock feature. Let's get started. First, launch your Disney Plus app or navigate to the official website of Disney Plus, provide your credentials and log into your account. From the profile menu, select Edit Profiles. You'll see a list of all the profiles on your Disney Plus account. Choose the kids profile or any profile that you want to manage. Inside the profile settings, make sure the kids profile option is turned on. This enables a child-friendly experience with age-appropriate content and a simplified interface. Next, look for the profile pin option. Tap or click it and follow the on-screen instructions to create a 4-digit pin. Enter your chosen pin, confirm it, and save your changes. Once the pin has been set, anyone trying to access that profile will need to enter the correct 4-digit PIN before they can use it. This adds an extra layer of protection and helps prevent others from opening or modifying the profile without permission. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.